Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and I never turn down a potato chip.
A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Anna is making my recipe for salt and vinegar mashed potatoes. We're using classic Russets, but you could also use Yukon Golds or a mix. Salting the water means our mashed potatoes will be well seasoned throughout. When you can easily break apart the potatoes with a fork, they're ready. That pot is now our mixing bowl. Whole milk means a creamier texture and better flavor. We're using malt vinegar, just like a potato chip. A little goes a long way. Serve right away with butter on top. And that's salt and vinegar mashed potatoes in 3 ingredients. Let's eat.